Hi, I'm Jess.
And I'm Claire.
And we're part of the KIC Female pre-apprenticeship. And today we're teaching David how to do AI welding.
And I'm very, very nervous because I've never welded in my life. But Jess and Claire, I'm sure you're going to look after me. So step me through it. What do we do?
So first, continue weld.
Yeah.
First, just put on the helmet.
Yeah, okay. Oh my goodness. Okay.
And then
I need to pick up my pen.
Yep.
Yeah.
And then press AR.
Yeah. Can you do that for me?
And now you face this, yeah?
Elbows on the table.
Yep. And then you should be seeing
Yeah.
metal now.
Yeah. Yeah.
You go a lot closer to it.
Oh, I think I've done it. Oh, I'm not even in the lines. Can you see what I was seeing?
Yeah.
Yep.
Was that really bad? Was that really rubbish?
It was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I'm sure you girls are doing a far better job than I can. So you've almost finished your pre-apprenticeship. We're really, really proud of you. We're looking forward to your graduation in the next couple of months. So well done, girls, and thanks for teaching me a trick, but I think I'll leave it to the experts next time.
Thank you.